Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarita and I'm here to introduce myself. I'm working in a MNC company as a custom software engineering specialist. I'm having 9+ years of experience in this field. So that's I have updated the topics which I'm going to cover in this series. There are a lot of React hooks. I have listed some basics and additional React hooks, but there is also advanced hooks, but we are not going to cover in this series. These are the list of basic hooks uh, in which use state is very common React hook which allow functional component to manage state. Use if first is use effect. It allows you to perform side effects in your components. Some examples of side effects are fetching data, directly updating the DOM, and timers. Timer example we shown in the previous video. Second is the use context. React context is a way to manage state globally. It can be used together with the use state hook to share state between deeply nested components more easily than with use state alone. But with use context, there is some problem to avoid that we can use prop delete that we can discuss in next video. This is the list of additional hooks which includes useref, use layout effect, and use reduce, use callback, use memo. You can read. I'll pause the video. You can read about it. So other is custom hooks. Custom hooks are functions that let you extract reusable logic from components while still taking advantage of React's built-in hooks like use state, use effect, etc. There are some advantages of custom hooks like reusability, separation of concerns, testability. There are some rules for custom hooks as well, like name must start with use, can call other hooks like use state, use effect, etc. And uh, we can't call hooks inside the loops, conditions, nested functions, etc. in So I have added one example as well. So like in this example, I am using JSON placeholder service to fetch fake data. This service is great for testing applications when there is no existing data. So here you see, like, I have created one separate custom hooks, a custom hook file with name usefetch.js. So in that I have called this use effect to fetch the data, and that custom hook file I have included in the main app.js. So where we are listing all the data whatever we are getting from this call, we are listing all the data here. So this is the example of custom hook. So in this series, get to know about the React hooks, like custom hooks and basic, additional, advanced. These are all the React hooks. So we'll That's it for this video. Bye bye. Have a great day.